Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi everyone, my name is Boipelo Mosepele and I am a Volumicious distributor. I'm based in Mayerton and I started this business in 2024. I started the business because I really want to end up having my own business one day. So this is a perfect opportunity for me to learn how to interact with my customers, how to market the business on social media. I sell hair products which are ideal for the whole family. We've got a kiddies range, we've got a men's range, and we've got an adult female range. These hair products offer a permanent solution to any hair problem that you may have, whether it's hairline issues, dandruff, hair that's not growing. All these products will answer to all your issues. The products are available nationwide through courier services. First and foremost, Volumicious is a proudly South African product. It's also ideal for all hair types. This is whether you've got natural hair, dreadlocks, relaxed hair, Caucasian hair. And also our product caters to the whole family. We've got two ranges, so we cater to people who also have a sensitive scalp to ensure that they can enjoy the products. Okay, so I am available on social media, on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. My handle is Volumicious by Boipelo. Also available via email, it's pelomosepele@gmail.com, via WhatsApp as well on 074-791-2461. Hi, my name is Boipelo and I am a township entrepreneur.